Keep up with all of this season's fashion trends in the Robinn heels by Chinese Laundry. You'll love this super trendy translucent straps that lock your foot into place while giving you a really fashionable look. You'll adore the fact that this easy slide-on has a beautiful round open toe to give you some extra style. You'll stay super breathable while enjoying this really comfortable extra padded insole that gives you lots of comfy feel. You'll notice a 3-inch black heel will boost you and your look while also giving you that on-trend chunky look. At the outsole, you'll see some extra traction at the toe and heel to give you added grip as you strut your stuff. You can pair these with any outfit to give yourself a very fashionable look this season.